Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Oliver Renick, here to take you through this week's trading action. Stocks started the week with a rally before erasing it, closing lower, thanks in part to a higher than expected PCE report, but also long-term inflation expectations from a sentiment survey, tariff headlines, geopolitical headlines, and not a lot of great responses to earnings. Stocks got slammed on Friday. The Nasdaq lost about 2.5%, while the S&P and small caps each shed more than 1.5%. The Dow was down 1% on the week. Tech led the action to the downside again, lower by 3.7% almost. Comms were right there. Industrials lost a good bit as well. Staples were one of the few winners, alongside energy stocks and real estate also skated by the selling. Along with Friday's inflation data, there was a substantial amount of weakness throughout the artificial intelligence trade, as investors appear to cycle out of the group even further. Nvidia slipped 7% as the company faces chip shortages in China. Among other headwinds, Broadcom and Supermicro were the biggest laggards in the S&P, down 12% and 19% respectively on the week. Auto tariffs served as one policy surprise the market didn't look ready for. It drove plenty of market action on Wednesday as the president announced 25% tariffs on imported cars. Vehicles protected by the United States-Mexico-Canada agreement will only see tariffs on imported car parts. Automakers across the board were hit, except Tesla and Rivian. That was Thursday, though. Friday was a different story. Earnings from Dollar Tree and Lululemon showed consumer pricing pressures. The former rallied 9%, the latter slid 9%. Dollar Tree missed on earnings and guidance, but got rid of the Family Dollar business for $1 billion. Markets seem to like it. On the other end, far from discount, Lululemon beat on earnings, but guidance was a little lighter than Wall Street expected. The company's CFO says Lululemon will stay agile. As the market waits for more information on tariffs from the Trump team, keep an eye out for new economic data next week. We'll get details on the employment picture with non-farm payrolls and JOLTS as the main highlight. We'll also get data on ISM. Manufacturing has not been a pretty part of the economy. But for now, that'll do it. I'm Oliver Renick. Remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.